How to download TikTok app in iPhone. To download TikTok app in iPhone, it's actually quite very simple. First of all, make sure that you are logged into your Apple account from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you've made sure that you are currently logged into your Apple ID, you want to simply go ahead and then also make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi connection. So whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, just make sure that you're connected to it. Now after you've made sure of that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and then open up your App Store or launch your App Store. And here in the search bar at the top, you want to go ahead and then type in TikTok. Once you type in TikTok, you'll find the TikTok app right at the top if there is no any other ads at the top. So from here you'll find the get button if you haven't previously downloaded TikTok. Now you also have to might be able to verify with your Face ID if you haven't downloaded it before, or you'll find the cloud-like download icon if you've already downloaded it and you want to re-download it. Based on what you want to do, just tap on the get or the install button and the TikTok app will be downloaded on your phone. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.